Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Let's get started. Open the Messenger app on your Android phone. Tap the menu icon at the bottom right. Tap Archive. Check if the chat is there. If you find it, press and hold the conversation. Then tap Unarchive. If the chat is not in Archive, go back and tap Settings. Scroll down and tap See More in Account Center. Tap Your Information and Permissions. Tap Export Your Information. Tap Create Export. Select Facebook. Tap Export to Device. Tap Customize Information. Tap Clear All to deselect all categories. Select only messages. Tap Save. Tap Date Range and choose your preferred time period such as all time. Tap Save. Tap Media Quality and choose Higher Quality. Tap Save. Scroll down and tap Start Export. Enter your Facebook account password to confirm. Wait until Facebook finishes preparing your export. You'll receive a notification or email when it's ready. Return to Settings Account Center, Your Information and Permissions, Export Your Information. Tap Download to download your exported messages. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.